Hello students, today we are going to talk about the physical activity, like how much physical activity is needed and what is physical activity and how it is counted. Physical activity of an individual provides the greatest variation in energy expenditure. The amount of energy consumed depends on the duration and intensity of exercise. The daily expenditure of energy can be estimated by carefully recording the type and the duration of all activities. हम जो भी एक्टिविटी अपने दिनचर्या में करते हैं उस सब में हमारी एनर्जी यूज होती है. बेसिक कैलकुलेशन ऑफ एनर्जी रिक्वायरमेंट. फर्स्ट इज एक्चुअल रिक्वायरमेंट which is BMR plus 25%. It is the summation of energy equivalent of BMR and physical activity. Recommended requirement. It is the actual requirement plus 10% of the actual requirement. Here 10% stands for SDA. For sedentary worker, actual BMR plus 25%. Recommend is 2500 plus 250 which is equivalent to 2750 kilocalories per day. Respiratory quotient. The ratio of carbon dioxide production and the oxygen consumption is called as respiratory quotient or RQ. The use of RQ to determine the relative utilization of different foods by the body. RQ of carbohydrate is 1, protein is 0.8 and fat is 0.7. Here you can see the formula for calculation of RQ, which is volume of CO2 produced divided by the volume of oxygen consumed. What are the basic components of food? The basic components of food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, waters, and dietary fibers. Now let's discuss about the classification of food. Food are classified on the basis of their predominant functions. फर्स्ट आर एनर्जी यील्डिंग फूड्स. एनर्जी देने वाले फूड कौन कौन से हैं? कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, फैट्स विच इंक्लूड राइस, व्हीट, पोटैटो, शुगर, मिल्क, कुकिंग ऑयल, फिश एंड मीट. नाउ सेकेंड इज बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड्स. दीज फूड विच आर रिच इन प्रोटीन आर कॉल्ड एज बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड. जिस भी खाने के अंदर प्रोटीन का कंटेंट ज़्यादा होता है वो बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड कहलाता है, जैसे मीट, फिश, मिल्क, एग एंड पल्सेस. नाउ थर्ड इज प्रोटेक्टिव फूड. फूड विच आर रिच इन vitamins and minerals like fish, milk, meat, egg, liver, greeny leafy vegetables and fruit. These are known as protective foods. This is a chart I had prepared, a beautiful food chart which has got 4 groups of food. आपको इसमें से एक चीज़ को ज़रूर अपने खाने में इंक्लूड करना है. जैसे ग्रुप 1 है बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड्स, मिल्क, चीज़, एग्स, मीट एंड फिश. सेकेंड इज एनर्जी बिल्डिंग फूड लाइक पोटैटोज, ब्रेड, फ्लावर, ओटमील, राइस, शुगर, सागो, ड्राइड फ्रूट, हनी, चीज़, बटर, मार्गरीन, drippings, sweet, lard, bacon, ham, like that. And protective food, which is the group 3 and 4, like milk, butter, margarine, cheese, eggs, herring, salmon, liver, potato, carrots, fruits, and greeny vegetables, salad, tomatoes, wholemeal bread, brown bread, etc. Eat something from each group every day. Classification of food. Another way of classification is calorigenic food, which gives energy. Non-calorigenic food gives no energy but essential for energy yielding chemical reactions of the body like vitamins and minerals. Okay, they don't give any energy, but they are the essential building blocks of the body, and they are needed to initiate many chemical reactions in the body. Now let's discuss about the proximate principles of food. These are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, water and fiber. Let's talk about nutrition and nutrients. What is nutrition? Nutrition may be defined as the process of ingestion, digestion, absorption, transportation, utilization of nutrients and disposal of its end products. Anything we eat is ingestion, फिर उसका डाइजेशन होता है, फिर वो बॉडी में एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है, एब्जॉर्ब होने के बाद जहाँ जहाँ उसकी ज़रूरत है वहाँ पे वो ट्रांसपोर्ट हो जाता है, फिर इन चीज़ों को हमारे डिफरेंट बॉडी ऑर्गन उनको यूज़ करते हैं और जो हमारा एंड प्रोडक्ट होता है उसको हम बॉडी से बाहर फेंक देते हैं. दैट इज द डिस्पोजल ऑफ इट्स एंड प्रोडक्ट. नाउ न्यूट्रिएंट्स. व्हाट आर न्यूट्रिएंट्स? Nutrients are the constituents of the food that must be supplied in a suitable proportion and amount to maintain health. It includes carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, water and fibers. What are essential nutrients? Essential nutrients are those nutrients which are required for the normal functioning of the body that either can't be synthesized by the body at all or can't be synthesized in amounts adequate for the good health. So it must be obtained from the dietary sources. Nutrients क्या होते हैं? जो हमारी हेल्थ को मेंटेन करते हैं, जैसे कार्बोहाइड्रेट, फैट्स, विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स, वाटर, फाइबर. बट कुछ एसेंशियल न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं जो हमें डाइट के साथ लेने ही लेने हैं. वो हमारी बॉडी में या तो बनते नहीं, और बनते हैं तो इतनी कम क्वांटिटी में बनते हैं कि हमें उसे डाइट के द्वारा कंप्लीट करना पड़ता है. व्हाट इज द क्राइटेरिया और इंडिसेस ऑफ गुड न्यूट्रिशन? What is the good nutrition? It will protect the body from the infection and deficiency diseases. That means it increases immunity. और ये तो अभी बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है, जब हम कोविड-19 की सिचुएशन से फाइट कर रहे हैं तो इस टाइम पे एक हेल्दी डाइट लेना हम सब के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. इट विल हेल्प इन मेकिंग फेयर कॉम्प्लेक्शन लाइक क्लीन स्किन, ब्राइट आइज, लस्टरस हेयर एंड प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम ओबेसिटी. वी कैन से ना व्हाट वी ईट इज रिफ्लेक्ट फ्रॉम आवर फेस. तो हम अगर हम हेल्दी खाना खाएंगे तो हमारा ओवरऑल जो बॉडी एक्सपोजर है, जो हमारा ओवरऑल जो बॉडी दिखती है वो हेल्दी दिखेगी, अच्छी दिखेगी. इट विल नरिश द बॉडी एंड मेक पर्सन एनर्जेटिक. अगर हम अच्छा खाना खाएंगे, एनर्जी वाला खाना खाएंगे, बैलेंस खाना खाएंगे तो हमारी बॉडी में किसी तरह की कमी नहीं रहेगी और हम बहुत एनर्जेटिक फील करेंगे. Aims and signs of good nutrition. What is the aim to get the good nutrition? To meet up the caloric demand of the individual needed for optimum physiological functions. To meet the specific requirement of the individual items of food stuff. To formulate and plan diet in relation to availability, cost, portability and social habits. What are the signs of good nutrition? Smooth and shiny skin, glossy hair, well-developed muscles, bone and teeth, strong build and energetic to look at. हम अच्छा खाना क्यों खाते हैं? जिससे हम हेल्दी रहें, हम अच्छे दिखें, हमारी बॉडी इम्यूनिटी अच्छी रहे, हमारी बोन्स, मसल्स, टीथ सब हेल्दी रहें और हम एक एनर्जेटिक इंसान की तरह रहें. और हम एक गुड न्यूट्रिशन की हमारी एम क्या होती है कि हम गुड न्यूट्रिशन इसलिए खाते हैं कि हमारी जो भी फिजियोलॉजिकल फंक्शन के लिए बॉडी की एनर्जी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है वो उससे कंप्लीट हो जाए. ओके. और एक ऐसा हम डाइट प्लान करें जो हमारी फूड की अवेलेबिलिटी, उसकी कॉस्ट, पोर्टेबिलिटी और हमारी सोशल हैबिट से भी मैच करे. DRIs, dietary reference intakes. What is DRIs? It estimates the amount of nutrients required to prevent deficiencies and maintain optimum health. The DRI consists of 4 dietary reference standards. Estimated average requirement, EAR. It is the average daily nutrient intake level estimated to meet the requirement of one half the healthy individual in a particular life stage and gender group. Second is the recommended directly allowance, that is RDA. It represents the quantities of the nutrients to be provided in diet daily for maintaining good health and physical efficiency of the body. What is adequate intake, which is AI? The AI is based on the estimate of nutrient intake by a group of apparently healthy people that are assumed to be adequate. Tolerable upper intake level, that is UL. UL is the highest average daily nutrient intake level that is likely to have no risk of adverse health effect to almost all the individuals in the general population. RDA, I think we spoke about it, right? No, we didn't. Recommended daily allowance. RDA is the amount of nutrient that should be taken by a person to maintain good health. The amount of nutrients differ from person to person depending upon age, sex, height, weight, lifestyle, etc. So you see, whenever we seek a doctor for some health issues regarding weight loss or something weight gain, doctor will ask you so many things and he will prepare a chart according to your body requirement. Okay, so it depends upon person to person कि उसका diet chart किस तरह का होगा. RDI, reference daily intake or recommended daily intake. It is another term used almost synonymously. These both are synonymous to each other, RDA and RTI. These are one and the same thing. RDA of macronutrients. Macronutrients, percentage of calorie that should be met, and their RDA. First is digestible carbohydrates. It is 55% and RDA is 300 to 500 grams per day. Digestible fats, this 30% and 50 to 100 grams per day is their RDA. Digestible proteins, percentage of total calorie that should be met is 15%, and this is like RDA is 70 to 100 grams per day. RDA of vitamins. What is the RDA of vitamins? Vitamin A is, okay, let me discuss first this IU. IU is the international unit which is used to estimate the quantity of fat soluble vitamins. Okay, so if we talk of vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K and vitamin C, so we can clearly see in the chart what is their RDA. What is the RDA of minerals? Okay, here we talk of sodium chloride, potassium, calcium, magnesium, phosphate and iodine. Okay, and this chart clearly estimates that what is their RDA. So we end up the second part here. I will soon talk in the third part, which is the final part of this topic. Thank you.